Hi, my name is Jessica Hernandez, and I'm the president of Great Resumes Fast. I'm also a LinkedIn top voice for job search and careers, and LinkedIn News has called me the go to resource for people looking to land their next job. This is the free Leveraging LinkedIn email course. This is the very first video. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering your headshot and your banner, how to create those, how to upload them, how to use Canva to make it even more professional. But through the length of this 5-day email course, I will be covering 5 different things that you need to do on your LinkedIn profile so that you can appeal to recruiters, attract more views, and grow your network. So I look forward to covering those things with you. All right, let's go ahead and get started today. Today I've pulled up my husband's LinkedIn profile because he actually just recently launched his job search and he was starting from ground zero on his LinkedIn profile. So he had maybe like 19 connections from many, many years ago, hasn't logged into LinkedIn in years and years and years. He's been self employed here locally in our small town, so he hasn't really used LinkedIn before. So, one of the very first things that I did for him was I created a custom LinkedIn photo. He didn't have a headshot or anything on here and a banner. So I want to show them to you. This is the finished work. This is his LinkedIn profile photo. You can see we've added the open to work banner. I've given him a brand color custom background. And then also I've created for him a custom banner that has his headshot and then also titles and keywords for the types of roles that he's looking for. Okay, so I'm going to take you over to Canva and show you how I did this, how I created his headshot. Basically, what I did was I just started with a blank image on Canva, and this is free. Canva's free for anyone to use. You can log in and you can create images and you can save them. What I did was I chose a brand color for him, and based on his background, the type of work that he's interested in, how he adds value, all of that kind of lended itself really well for a blue color. And so I opted for a gray blue because he really likes gray. That's kind of up his alley. So this isn't the exact color I used for him, but this is pretty close. You can choose whatever brand color works for you. I encourage you to research personal branding colors online to find the right color for you that matches your personal brand. You can use it very easily as a background. Then on Canva, I simply added what they call elements. So you'll click over here on the left-hand side, you'll click elements. This gives you a picture box. So I added the picture box to the Canva image. And then I just centered it. Canva makes it really easy because it gives you the lines. I uploaded his photo. So this, you guys, is just a headshot that I took of him um, with our phone. Like, no big deal, nothing major. All right. The magic happens when you click Edit Image, which is up here towards the top, and then you click Background Remover. So what I'm doing right now is I am removing the background image, so that's like our wall right there. And now I have him with the color background. Then I just go to download. I want a PNG because that's the best photo quality that I can get. So I download it, I save it to my computer, I head back to LinkedIn, I click on his picture, and then I can add a photo. And I could upload it right into here. And it takes less than 5 minutes to do all of that. It might take you a little longer if you're not familiar with Canva. I did the exact same thing for his LinkedIn profile banner. The only difference is that I went up here to the search bar in Canva, typed in LinkedIn banners. Helps if you spell it correctly. All right, LinkedIn banner. See, they have two options here. You click on the LinkedIn banner, then it's going to give you all of these options, and then you can customize any one of these ones, or you can create your own blank one. So if one of these jumps out at you and appeals to you and you're like, oh, I really like that, I want to use that, go for it. If you want to create your own custom LinkedIn banner, you can do something really simple. You just start with a blank banner, you choose your background color, your brand color, and then you can do the same thing that we did before. You can simply add the element, which is this blank thing right here, the blank picture that allows you to upload your own headshot. So let's do this other picture this time. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to edit out the image so that now I just have him on this like dark grayish blue background. It takes it a minute to edit out the background. And you can change the size on this. It's really easy to do. Okay, so you adjust the size however you want. Then you can go in and add text. So if I wanted to add a heading, I could go in here very easily and say Eric Hernandez. And I could say personal trainer or, whatever. You could put your name and your job title, which I highly encourage you to do. I want you to put your job target titles on here. You can also add contact information to make it easier for recruiters to contact you. You could put your phone number if you're comfortable adding that to LinkedIn, or the email address that you're using for your job search. Once you're done, don't click on publish to LinkedIn. Just click on download. Go ahead and download the PNG and save it so that you have it on your computer. Then you just head back over to LinkedIn, you click this little edit button in the top right hand corner, and it allows you to upload. And then you can adjust it however you need. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can straighten, you can do all different kinds of things with it. Okay, so that's what I have for you for today. That's the very first step. The reason why I say this is because if you have a LinkedIn profile photo, you are 21 times more likely to be connected with and reached out to on LinkedIn. And so you want to make sure that your very, very first step, if you don't have one already, you're also 9 times more likely to get messages from recruiters about open roles if you have a profile photo. He didn't, so I went ahead and did that. And then also you should know that if you're openly job searching, you're not job searching confidentially, go ahead and add the open to work banner to your photo. Your 40%, you'll receive 40% more messages than people who don't have it that are job searching. And then also you can click down here and say what you're open to. So his says open to work, health and wellness director, sports coach, and then has some other stuff down there. But that tells recruiters what type of roles he's open to. And then you can see here his profile views have jumped. This is when we first started adding connections and working on his profile. And then you can see that this week his profile views are up 7,500%. Now, this isn't overly impressive if you're already active on LinkedIn and you've been connecting for quite some time. But he was literally starting from ground zero. No connections, no views, no activity, nothing. And just in 4 days, this is what has happened. So, all right, that's it for today, and I look forward to tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to go over a headline formula that I use that helps you to get more attention from recruiters. So I'm really excited about sharing that. So join me for tomorrow's day 2 of the course. All right, thanks.